this video, we will show you how to change the side view mirror on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change your vehicle's side view mirror, you have to take off the door trim. Using a car trim removal tool, pry out the master power window switch. Then disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. Next, using the same tool, unclip the driver memory seat switch from the door panel by prying it. Then disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Using a hook, remove the plastic cover from the door armrest. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 7mm socket, unscrew the retaining bolt. Remove the bolt using a magnetic extender. Remove the plastic cover located in the door handle. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the bolt located in the handle that holds the inner door panel. Then remove the bolt. You can now unclip the door panel by pulling it towards you and lifting it slightly to release it from the top track. Run along all three sides to disengage all clips. Hold the panel so as not to pull on the various cables. Then disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the door handle retaining screw. You can now remove the inner door panel. Using a fork, remove the window frame retaining rivet. Unclip the window frame. Disconnect the other two connectors by pressing on the retaining tabs. You can also use a hook. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the three holding nuts on the side view mirror. You can now extract the mirror from its slot, holding it with one hand. You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new side view mirror. Remove the end supplied. Insert the side view mirror into its housing. Remember to thread the power cable through the hole provided for it. Screw the nuts back on, by hand at first. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Reconnect the power connectors. Put the plastic cover back onto the window frame. Put the rivet back in place. Bring the inner door panel closer. Next, put the handle back into the panel. Tighten the screw back into the door handle. Plug the electrical connector back in. You can now put the door panel back in place, inserting it into the top track first. Don't forget to pass the door lock latch through the trim. Press the entire door panel against the door to lock all the clips. Screw the bolt inside the armrest back. Replace the plastic cover. Screw the bolt inside the door handle back. Replace the plastic cover. Reconnect the memory seat switch electrical connector. You can now clip it back onto the door panel. Reconnect the power connector of the master power window switch. Then reattach it back. Operation complete.